Welcome friends. Today we are coming once again in Cheung Chau, and I can show you that the beach area. This is one of the beach in Cheung Chau. It's quite silent today. Only you can hear the voice of waves. The people is not here because of 2-3 holiday in Christmas, and the people going mostly abroad of country, different countries. Some are coming just for the hike. Today weather is very good. Have sunrise. Only few people coming here. You can see all the beach is empty. No one is in here. Have more than 8 beaches in Cheung Chau, but most of have restaurant here, tourist area, hotels, and very beautiful places, temple and church also. You can hear the voice of waves. It's so beautiful, very clean water. You can swim also, but here they no have any boundaries, so is open for the swimming if you want to swimming on your own risk. So if you want to swim here, at least you know the swimming, otherwise it's not good because it's open area.